Jewelry, cups, and phone cases. Just a few simple things you can print with a 3D printer. But how do you print a 3D object?
One option is to print at the Fayetteville Free Library. You find an object you like online or scan a real one, and after you download your digital file, it's printing time.
The 3D printer heats up the plastic and starts layering the material until you have a 3D object. But 3D printing is also being used in the medical field. Dr. Jonathan Butcher at Cornell University is leading the way in 3D printing heart valves with live tissue.
We were the ones that showed you could actually print these things.
But what does live tissue mean? Instead of using plastic, his team uses materials including collagen and live human cells. They also experiment with simplified test valves like this red one.
A deposit material layer by layer, okay, much like a chef might do with frosting.
It's crucial for your heart to have working valves because they control the blood flow. Today, if patients need a valve replacement, mechanical or animal tissue prosthetics are the most common options. So what could make 3D bioprinted heart valves the better option?
We have the capacity to essentially replicate the patient's anatomy that it needs.
Today's prosthetic options aren't perfectly fit to patients, and Butcher says a perfect fit is a better solution. His team can use a 3D ultrasound of your heart valve and print it in less than an hour.
Every patient is different, so we need to have a different anatomy for each one.
3D bioprinted valves could also grow with younger patients, something prosthetics can't do.
We have the potential that we put this in, it'll be one surgery for the rest of the patient's life.
Right now, Butcher's team is testing the strength of the 3D valves. The next step is to put one in an animal, then hopefully humans.
The future of 3D tissue printing looks promising in the medical field.
And now when the topic of 3D printing comes up, you'll know what's happening because Newhouse knows, and now you do too. I'm Amiko Sumi.
And I'm Kristen Powers for NCC News.